Hi! In front of me is Tecno Camon 18 and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen on this device. Begin by opening one of your apps that you wish to use in this view. I will go with Chrome. Now access background apps by tapping on this button at the bottom left corner and click on this little icon next to padlock with the rectangles. Finally, tap on the other app. I will go with Play Store. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, you can do that by dragging the first app upwards or downwards and tapping on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!